Hello guys, this is Sims2 here, and I've gotten a rotten apple here, just from over there, and I want to see if it's moldy inside or whatever. So if I take this cutting knife, cut it open, we'll see. It looks like a normal apple. Easy to break. Easy to chop up. Not destemmed yet. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Here's the core. Looks the same, I guess. Like, there's the seeds inside. Oh, that looks cool. Well, I don't know if it's edible. Probably. It's just mushy. It is edible. So guys, if your apples are rotten or have a hole in them, wait, let's look in this little ditch thing. Whoa. It's actually, it looks like applesauce. Applesauce. I don't think this is edible. Well, now you know, guys, apples that are like mushy and rotten are edible except for the ditch thingies. Thanks, guys, for watching. Peace.